Hello, Chef here with another great gift idea. This is a cherry wood box with 3 diamond stones. It's made in the USA. It's an exclusive, and you can get it at your sponsor right there. Really, really sweet. You got a 1200 grit, you got a 600 grit, you got a 325 grit. Self-cleaning water stones. Use them with water or use them dry. No oil, no mess. Very, very nice. You can move them around in the box, and depending on which one you want to use, if the knife's really dull, you start with the coarse, move to the medium, move to the fine. You can also take these out. They can be mounted with screws or attached to another surface like plexiglass or plywood. You could clamp it down. The possibilities are endless. Also, the 3-stone set is a great deal. You check out the price all over the internet. These are expensive by themselves, so the 3-stone set's kind of the way to go. Yeah, so this 1200 grit combined with these awesome little clips will give you a perfect sharpening system for most high-end knives. This particular knife, it's really, really cool. I like it. You might say it's cutting edge. Really, really sweet. So the titanium glides through food very, very easily. It's lightweight, it's ergonomical. I'm going to show you how sharp it is right out of the box. And it holds its edge for a long time. Really nice, great quality, and the knife is made in Sekai City, Japan. Yeah, it's got several hundred years of history behind it as well. Really, really cool. Watch the next video, and I'm going to talk about sharpening this knife and getting it even sharper. Yeah, get cooking and have a great day. Only high-end knives. The cheap stuff, you can scratch it up on a regular stone or a sharpening steel or whatever, but these high-end knives, the guide clip goes right over like this, and now I've got the perfect angle. Very quickly and effortlessly sharpen both sides with the same exact angle. Just like that, okay? Now a little bit of polishing on this knife, and it's going to be even sharper than it was just a few minutes ago. Let's give it a little test on some paper here. It's pretty sharp. Could you get it sharper? Most definitely. If your knives are dull, like most knives around the kitchen, this is perfect. Bring it right back. If you're sharpening a cleaver or something the neighbor gave you, some garbage knife, use the 325 grit first. Regular use, you want to use this 600 grit. Yeah. With that, I'm going to let you go. If you want to get this set, check out the sponsor. They've got them on sale. I believe you get free shipping and no tax most areas. And wow, it's going to be good. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe, and wow, it's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. My other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm gonna eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really, really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there.